With that, I'll pass it on to Bassel to cover off on Middle East.
Thank you, Bhargav. In the EMEA roundup today, we had one assessed event and 20 other development. Starting off with some developments in the Middle East. In Iran, authorities have said that international travelers must submit a negative COVID-19 test result at all points of entry into the country. This comes after several cases rose of COVID-19 rose in the country. In Israel, 11 new cases of the monkeypox virus were recorded yesterday. This brings the total number of recorded cases to around 66 across the country. In the United Arab Emirates, Fly Dubai Airlines, which is the state-owned air company, yesterday suspended its flights between Dubai and Colombo Airport in Sri Lanka due to the ongoing political unrest in the country. This is all from the Middle East today. Over to you, Sitati, to cover on Africa.
Well, thank you, Bassel and Bhargav. Today in Africa, we covered 7 developments, and the major issue are the threats by the National Union of Electricity Employees and the Medical and Health Workers Union of Nigeria to go on strike. That is in solidarity with the striking teaching and non-teaching staff in Nigerian tertiary institutions. And staff from the Nigerian institutions of higher learning have been on strike for the last 6 months due to unfulfilled or unmet demands, such as the failure by the federal government to increase their salaries among other demands. And the strike by the staff of the Nigerian public higher learning institutions has also occasioned nationwide protests, particularly by students, leading to the blockage of some federal roads in Abuja and Lagos, among other major cities and towns across the country. And so businesses with operations in Nigeria, especially in Abuja, Lagos, and Port Harcourt, need to monitor the activities of the National Union of Electricity Employees, as well as the Medical and Health Workers Union of Nigeria, with respect to a possible declaration of the specific dates for the strike. And the occurrence of these strikes could potentially disrupt road travel in some of the major cities in the country. That's all from Africa today. Back to you, Bassel, to cover Europe. Thank you.
Thank you, Sitati. In Europe today, we had around 10 developments. In a recent development regarding gas supplies in Europe, the Russian energy company, which is the state-owned company Gazprom, has halted gas supplies to Germany and Italy yesterday through the Nord Stream 1 pipeline for annual maintenance. So the gas flows are expected to stop for at least 10 days until July 21. However, the main concern here comes from the German and Italian government, as that the suspension of gas supplies will be extended due to the war in Ukraine. And this was iterated actually by the German Minister for Economic Affairs and Climate Action, which is Robert Habeck, that said that Russia could possibly suspend gas flows through the Nord Stream 1 pipeline beyond the scheduled maintenance period. So Germany is currently at the second stage of its emergency gas plan. It's a 3-tier stage. The third stage is where the German government will start to ration fuel and gas across the country. So this is likely actually to further increase the energy supplies if the suspension continues and the cost of living crisis around Europe. This also actually may be a retaliatory move by the Russian government against sanctions by European countries, especially Italy and Germany. And the German government could actually move to the third stage of its emergency gas plan to ration fuel and gas consumption, concerning that we are still in the summer months before winter comes. So clients in Europe, especially in Germany and Italy, are advised to actively monitor these latest developments and the resumption and the announcements actually by Gazprom to resume those gas supplies. Businesses are also advised to prepare for the rising prices and the possible supply bottlenecks. So this is all from the EMEA today. Thank you.
Thank you, Bassel and Sitati, for the coverage of EMEA region. Thank you very much for joining us. It's a wrap from us. You can reach out to us at info@apacassistance.com to know more about our services. Thank you.